Vietnam.
The wheels on the bus go through our who and when, who and when. The wheels on the bus go through our who and when, all day long. The wheels on the bus go throughout here and where, here and where. The wheels on the bus go throughout here and where, all day long.
Anyway, I'm just gonna put together some small stuff about it. So there's sunny beer, kind of random stuff, and I think I'm just gonna just kind of show you little highlights of it from throughout the city today. So let's put Hue on the map just so you can see where in Vietnam it is, and then we're gonna come back and we're going to give you little snippets of it as we're walking around, see what the city looks like. Okay, we are in Hue. So I have lots of street videos in Hue. Let's put this up on the map. This is where Hue is at in Vietnam. And then we're basically going to be in this area, which is where the tourists are at. So let's just get right into it and show you as if you're there yourself. And we have the sightseeing bus, which was kind of what I was looking for. So this is what we're going to be riding around and getting a better view of Hue. Sightseeing bus. Let's see how much it costs.
No, I think.
You got a bus?
Bus.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it's over here.
Yeah, ticket.
So you get a ticket right here,
Yeah.
and we can jump on this bus, and then they can show us around the city a little bit, and it says sightseeing Hue, and it looks like there's another one over there too. So we're probably going to take one of these.
Yeah, let's go.
All right.
Wow, got a good
Perfect. And then we also got these guys here. I think they want to take us for the other one, but hello. How much is it?
later.
Okay, we're on the tour bus to Hue, so we'll just kind of highlight some of the stops that we see. I try to keep it as minuscule and as interesting as possible. But anyways, we're on the bus. It's one of the, that was just mentioned in the audio. Some beautiful buildings in the way. We're going to see a lot more of it. We just got to show you the snippets here and there. I don't know what that is, but that looks kind of interesting. Typical streets. More interesting architecture on both sides. Been over a river right here. They just mentioned on the audio that this is good for sunsets. Typical architecture of Hue, but also typical of all of Vietnam. Beautiful. Love the balconies, the opening up into the streets, the big windows. Book cafe, very literate and great way to get a nice view of Hue here. There's the Citadel. Oh, let's go all the way around now.
Well, we're just going to ride, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, now just ride.
Now.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the Perfume River, and I can see this kind of beautiful boat right there. There it is. Nice, beautiful coffee shop right on the river there. There's a river bank. Yeah, it's nice. Starting to rain a little bit, so they gave us a hat. Not too bad. That's the train station right there. Or no. Oh, something else. I'm sure there's something else. I don't know what it is, but beautiful architecture right there. And it's fixed my hat there, so now we have a true Vietnamese hat. There's right now they're talking about Buddhism and pagodas and such. So yeah, we're going to be heading towards this one next. One of the interesting things about this tour is if you look at the map, the tour guide would jump out and point exactly where we are, and he'll kind of shout out where we're at as well. So it's like very, very personalized. Okay. Probably should jump on the tour bus, but then you have to wait like an hour and walk around. So I think we're going to go to a specific place and then maybe come back and do some of these more later. Kind of beautiful stuff out here. I didn't really catch it, but yeah, there it is. This is Incense Village, so you can see all this incense everywhere, so it's connected to Buddhism and the shrines. There's some nice period pieces of those two heroes there. Coffee shop. So yeah, Incense Village. It's cool. It's kind of beautiful. Huh. This was a stop on the tour. It's a tomb, the royal tomb. That's definitely worthy of exploring. We're gonna take the whole bus all the way around and then choose some places to go. But this looks kind of cool. If it doesn't rain. Check out this super cool housing. It looks like they just keep building higher and higher. Got plants on the different balconies and yeah, pretty cool. Amazing. Let's catch it from the corner a little bit. Oh yeah, there you go. Nice. Wow. It's like really, really okay. Interesting. More of a way. This is number 2. This is a tomb. And it looks like quite a few tourists in this area. It's beautiful. It's up in kind of all this nature right here. Some buses out here. And it looks like there's a lot of tourism, so they have a whole little bus area. So yeah, this is actually kind of nice. So on our tour there's 12 stops and this is number 10. It's actually the furthest one out there as well, so we're in nature. There's some of the tombs right there. And we're gonna keep on going. I'm gonna go through the whole thing and then we're gonna go to the Citadel and I'll film a separate video when we get over there. Check this out. Here's a tourist in took the car, probably spent ours was about spent about 15 American dollars, something like that, for the whole thing that we're doing. And we have it for 24 hours, this bus. Anyways, let's keep on going around. Back into the city streets of Hawaii. And at the end of the Citadel. In our video. So we're kind of looking for that spot, but there's a beautiful pagoda right there. Very nice. How beautiful that is. This is across from the high school. I think get to the, it's like high school that's on the tourist map, number 12. Can't really get a good view of it, but this river looks really nice. Actually, I'm kind of liking this park. There's some nice images in here. Here's a woman's head right there. Some flamingos as well. Perfume River. So we're back to the Perfume River. Some beautiful buildings along this river here. I think that's one of the beauties of Hawaii, is this Perfume River, and then all these kind of beautiful architecture, the homes or whatever these are. I'm not really sure what they all are exactly. I guess it wouldn't be homes anymore, but we're back at a hotel as well. Right. So pretty cool. We just ate on this little one. I'm gonna go back to the bus and then we're gonna conclude it. And my friend Dale is here. Get his voice on camera a little bit. You want to say anything there?
I'll say that was a pretty good bum bar to walk right there.
There you go.
I'm going to walk back to the hotel. Kevin's going to catch that good bus.
That's it.
All right.
And that concludes one full round for the tour bus, which is right there. And that concludes. So we have a tour bus here, and we have a tour bus here, and I think that's another one, maybe the same. And so we're gonna do a separate video. I'm gonna go to Citadel, and then we're gonna end our video. And that was the one that we took. Actually, it's perfect because there's people that are coming on now, so we kind of had our private tour, and the sun's coming up, so it's gonna be kind of hot. And but anyways, we're gonna have more of Hawaii. A couple cameras right there. And next one is Citadel, so stay tuned, and I'm gonna put some up more of Hawaii in the future.